Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're focusing on beginners. Whether you're just starting your learning journey, switching to a new field, or simply want to pick up new skills, I've got some fantastic beginner-friendly courses on Coursera for you. These courses are perfect if you want to start from scratch and gain valuable knowledge in areas like software development, digital marketing, data science, and more. All of these courses come with certifications, are completely online, and can be taken from anywhere in the world. The links to access the courses will be in the video description, so make sure to check them out. 1. IBM Full Stack Software Developer. This is one of the best beginner-friendly courses on Coursera. You'll start by learning the basics of front-end and back-end development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and databases. What's great about this course is that it's hands-on. You'll build real-world projects that will help you understand how websites and applications work from the ground up. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills to develop fully functioning websites and web apps. It's perfect for anyone who wants to break into the tech world, and with a certification from IBM, you'll have a strong credential to showcase your new skills. 2. Python for everybody. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn, making it a great starting point if you're new to coding. This course will teach you the fundamentals of Python programming and guide you through writing simple scripts and automating tasks. What makes this course so valuable is its wide application. Python is used in web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. By the end of this course, you'll not only be comfortable with coding in Python, but also have a solid foundation to explore more advanced topics in programming. 3. Data Science. This course will introduce you to data science concepts, including data analysis, visualization, and statistical tools. You'll also learn how to work with programming languages like Python and R and get a taste of machine learning. This course is designed for beginners, so even if you've never worked with data before, you'll find it easy to follow. By the end, you'll have the skills to analyze data sets and make informed decisions, a highly sought-after skill in today's data-driven world. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. 4. IBM Business Intelligence, BI Analyst. Business intelligence is all about using data to help organizations make better decisions. This course will teach you how to work with BI tools like Excel and Tableau, perform data visualizations, and analyze business data. This course is beginner-friendly and packed with practical exercises, making it easy for you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Whether you're aiming for a career in business analytics or want to improve your decision-making skills, this course has you covered. 5. Deep Learning. This course, taught by AI expert Andrew Enging, is perfect for beginners who want to understand how neural networks work and how deep learning powers technologies like facial recognition, voice assistants, and more. This course simplifies complex topics, making them easy to understand for someone who's new to AI and machine learning. By the end, you'll have a strong grasp of deep learning principles, giving you the foundation to explore more advanced AI courses. 6. Google Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is one of the most in-demand fields today, and this course is designed to get beginners started in this essential area. You'll learn the basics of protecting systems and networks from cyber threats, understand key cybersecurity concepts, and even explore how to manage security incidents. This course is ideal for anyone looking to build a solid foundation in cybersecurity, whether you're aiming for a career in tech or just want to improve your digital security knowledge. By the end, you'll have the skills and certification needed to start pursuing entry-level roles in cybersecurity. 7. Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce. If you want to learn how to promote products online or grow a business using digital tools, this course is for you. You'll cover the essentials of SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and how to build and manage e-commerce stores. With hands-on projects and lessons taught by Google experts, this course is a great starting point for aspiring marketers and entrepreneurs. By the end of the course, You'll have the skills to run your own digital marketing campaigns or even launch an online business. Remember, all of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually. By acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription, you'll get access to over 7,000 courses by paying just a monthly or annual fee. It's an amazing deal, especially if you're serious about growing your skills across multiple areas. The link with the best price will be in the video description, so make sure to check it out. So there you have it, 7 of the best beginner-friendly courses on Coursera, covering everything from coding and data science to cybersecurity and digital marketing. Whether you want to break into the tech industry or learn a new skill to enhance your career, these courses offer something for everyone.